In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all Yahoo emails at once. By the end, you'll know how to clean out an entire folder quickly and make sure those messages are truly gone. First, open a web browser and go to mail.yahoo.com. Sign into the correct Yahoo Mail account using your usual login details. If you use two-step verification, complete that as well so you land in your inbox. Next, decide which folder you want to clear. Most people start with inbox, but this works the same for sent, archive, or any custom folder. Click to open that folder so you can see the list of emails. At the top of the email list, you'll see a small checkbox above your messages. Click that checkbox. This selects the first batch of emails currently visible on the page, usually around 25 to 40 messages. After you click it, look for a blue link that appears near the top of the list. It will say something like Select All Number Conversations in Folder Name. Click that link. This is the key step that tells Yahoo to include every message in that folder, not just the ones on the screen. With everything selected, click the delete button, the trash can icon at the top of the page. Yahoo will move all of those emails into the trash folder. If you see a confirmation prompt, approve it to proceed. Don't worry, you haven't permanently erased anything yet, it's just been moved to trash. To finish the job and remove those messages forever, go to the left sidebar and locate the trash, sometimes labeled deleted items. Hover your mouse over it or tap it if you're on a touch device. An option to empty trash will appear, often shown with a small trash can icon. Click Empty Trash, then confirm when prompted. This action permanently deletes everything in trash, which means it can't be recovered later, so take a second to be sure you don't need anything before you confirm. If you have other folders you want to clear, repeat the same process. Open the folder, select the top checkbox, click the Select All Conversations link, delete, then empty the trash again. For very large mailboxes, it might take a moment for Yahoo to process the selections and deletions, so give it a little time to complete. That's it. You've cleaned out your Yahoo Mail quickly and thoroughly, freeing up space and keeping your inbox manageable. Thanks for watching, and take care before emptying the trash to avoid removing anything important.